This video is sponsored by Carter, manufacturers of water pumps and fuel pumps since 1909. Visit carterengineered.com to learn more.
Practice tests are another great study method to use as part of your test preparation. Practice tests are quizzes that allow you to judge your test readiness, increase your knowledge, and ease your anxiety over taking actual ASE certification tests. Like the ASE certification test, the practice tests use quality questions of the same format and difficulty. Because of this similarity, you're able to test your readiness prior to taking an actual ASE certification test. Practice tests provide explanations for correct and incorrect answers, giving you the opportunity to improve your skills. By taking a practice test, you can determine which content areas require additional preparation before moving on to an actual ASE test. Identifying strengths and weaknesses will help prepare a solid study plan that will optimize your study sessions. Let's see if this practice question helps prepare you for that ASE certification test. A water pump has been replaced 2 times in 2 months on a rear-wheel drive vehicle. Technician A states that the cooling fan may be out of balance or bent. Technician B states that the drive belt may be installed too tight. Which tech is correct? Is it Technician A? Is it Technician B? Is it both technicians, or is it neither technician? The correct answer is C, both technicians. If the fan blade is bent, it could cause a vibration, which would damage the water pump bearing. If the belt or belts are installed too tight, it will also create too much force on the water pump bearings. Thanks for watching. Good luck.